Hello students, welcome to MGM Education. This is Ethics and Values, Volume 2, Semester 2. We are going to study about punctuality and time management. You know, time management is a very important concept for one and all, the students, the teachers, the professionals, the business magnates, and others. Now let us focus on the meaning and importance and principles of time management and what ethics it does possess to make you successful. Well, the students, those who are new to the channel, please subscribe so that you will be getting all the notes relating to your course, ethics and values. Okay, let us start. See the words here. Why time management is so important? Now, time management helps you or us achieve bigger goals, reduce procrastinations, and increases productivity. That means the effective management will help you to achieve your goal faster, quicker, and you will be the smarter by doing time management in your day-to-day life, in studies or business or office, anywhere, whatever may be. Now see the principles. The principle number one, determine what is urgent work for you and what is not. Next, do not overcommit anything. Have a plan for your time, proper time. Allow time to utilize properly and handle things once so that you can save time. Then create realistic deadlines and set a goal. Then develop a routine to manage your works. Well, now see, punctuality and time management are more or less going hand in hand. Punctuality is based on respect for your time and that of others. So, punctuality is an etiquette, means behavior which demands doing things on time, and it has been scheduled. You have planned for this. So, to be punctual, one has to organize things properly, whatever he may be, and that will bring respect to you, and it will also others make others to feel respectable. That's why punctuality is very important for a proper time management. So it is wisely said that busy person has time for everything, but lazy person doesn't have or has none. So if one appropriate time, okay, means proper utilize the time and distribute the time properly, he can achieve the goal set by him. So it's very important. Whereas a disorganized person can never manage time. That is why you must plan, estimate the time you will require to complete a task, examine various methods of doing things, and choose wisely. Punctuality is not being doing things on time alone. It also needs some commitment. That APJ Abdul Kalam has said once that time is money. So that means we have to know by utilization of time we can get money, power, prestige, okay, dignity, everything. Next, punctuality is a key to success. Yeah, punctuality gives you a head start and an advantage over competition. Punctuality is a value to be practiced not only by students or employees, professionals, but all. Time management helps you to prioritize, means give importance to your task, so that you can do the task in time and properly, and it will boost your productivity. So for all these things, punctuality and time management are always given first place in the teamwork or in the work ethics. And so, effective time management enables students also to do more things and help them to meet the target, then to improve concentration in studies and reduces their stress during the period of examination. Therefore, they have to prepare a schedule and follow the time with proper management. And see, the last point, this is very important in procrastination, means that one which we don't like, we will try to avoid it. That is called procrastination. And this procrastination will make you depression and all these things. That's why if you make proper time management, you will not suffer. You will not suffer in forthcoming days. So good time management will make you brave, and you will attend the examination like a lion instead of like a dog. Otherwise, I am telling you. So some students from the beginning of the year only they make their plan, study plan and proper timetable, and accordingly they finish their syllabus or courses before the examination and make their revision before examination. They go to exam like a lion. And the students who are missing time management, they are always found to be a failure character in the society. Therefore, now you think how important time management is. Don't you like to attend the examination like a lion? Yeah, if yes, make proper time management. Otherwise, neglect the time, then the things will be reversed to you. Okay, students, thank you very much. Thank you very much for understanding the importance of time management and punctuality. This is an important lesson of, ethics and values, semester 2. Okay, students, please like, share, and subscribe.